2011 Infiniti EX35, we are replacing the center armrest. Mine has a tear on it and I tried to cover it with duct tape, but I failed. I was able to purchase a used center armrest from eBay for around $50. If you want, you can just buy the replacement skin or leather on eBay. Here's an image of it. But the price is almost the same, around $50 just for the skin. So it makes sense for me to just buy the whole center armrest. So let's start replacing. Start by opening your center armrest. Now your screws are behind this plastic cover. Let me move the camera so you have a better viewing angle. So here at the base of the center armrest, at the bottom, there's two slits or cutouts that you can slide in a flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic cover. So slide in your flathead screwdriver and wedge it up. As you can see, it's starting to go up. And be careful as the plastic might be brittle. Now once it's up, you can slowly slide it out. There you go. Now behind this plastic cover, there's 3 Phillips screws. Now use a Phillips screwdriver to remove them. One. Two. And 3. Now raise up your center armrest. Ta-da! Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old center armrest and the replacement center armrest. Luckily, I was able to buy the correct color. Now, unfortunately, the chrome plating on the edge is worn out on the replacement one, but as you can see, it is starting to wear out also on the current one, or the one we are replacing. Anyway, let's start installing the new replacement armrest. Installing the replacement armrest. The installation is just the opposite of how we remove the old armrest. So slide in the slots on the center console. Then put in the screws. Gonna start by hand tightening them so I don't cross thread them. Then start tightening them up a bit. Now before completely tightening them up, test the armrest to make sure that it is aligned here in front. While they're slightly tightened but still loose, you can adjust the armrest so it is aligned to your liking, like that. Alright, this is good. So with that, I'm gonna tighten them up snug but not over tighten them because I don't want to break the plastic base. Alright, it's tightened. Now let's put back the plastic cover. Slide it in towards the top. Oh, it's a bit tricky. So slide it up, then push at the bottom to lock it in place. There you go. Then test it again. Ta-da! Looks way better. And that is how to replace the center console on this 2011 Infiniti EX35. Thank you for watching.